Hi everyone, this is part 2 for how can I tell that my students are using AI to cheat whenever they are writing essays or writing short papers. So I'm going to go through, this is a search that I did in one of my other videos, and I want to go through and point out a few things to you based on this. So if a student were to cheat on something like this, these little symbols that you see here are probably going to be copied and pasted into their essay. You will also see things where you have strange boldface and highlighting and things of that nature. You'll also see the kind of headers that you see here, but one of the biggest tells that students have a hard time getting rid of is these lines, these division lines. They will not get rid of those because they can't figure out how. You'll also see a lot of things like this, where you have things that are listed. You have the colon that's listing them. You also will see things where there are, again, these sort of headers concerning things, and again, those lines that you see throughout. So this is something just to help you kind of figure out if it has been copied and pasted from an AI source, and this is specifically Google Gemini. I'm not sure how the other AIs work. I'll be making videos about those at some point, but this is what we see with the Google Gemini is we see that, again, repetition of these dots, repetition of this concept of headers or headings, and also these lines that the students just copy and paste straight on into their assignments without realizing that that it's basically a tell showing us that they are in fact cheating. So let me know if you have any questions or comments, or if there are any other kind of videos that you would like for me to make.